Let's review the fee options. These are amounts that can be attached automatically to the reservation as the rooms are selected. So here we have a 10% test fee, so this will be 10% of the total room unit price. The other options here are just a flat dollar fee, so if you had that, it'd be $10, just added once. If you had dollar per night, it'd be $10 per night, so if it was a 3-night stay, that total would be $30. And dollar per night per guest. So say you have a 3-night stay with 2 guests per room and 1 room, so it would be $20 per night, and then times 3, so that would be $60 total for per night per guest. So 10%, and then the final is again 10% of the total price. So if the total room price was $200, it would be $20. Now let's go over to the reservation page, and we can test that just by going to our calendar view here. It's the easiest way to just be able to click on the calendar and see what happens. So here we have a $250 total room price. And if we look at our fees section, we can see that the 10% of that comes to $25. So that's working correctly. $10 per night per guest is $40. We have 2 guests per room per 2 nights, so that's why we get the $40. And then we also have that test fee of $100 per night, which comes to $200 since it's 2 nights, so $100 per night. So that looks like that is all working great. And then we have one other spot in the system where we can go to check. We can go into a reservation and go to fees. And then this amount right here in the price box will get calculated now automatically based on how these fees are set up. So here's a 10% test fee, so that's $85.20. So that's correct. That's 10% of the total room price of $852. $10 per night per guest is $80. We have 2 rooms actually in this reservation, and in every room there are 2 guests, so that's correct. And a test fee of $100 per night is $200, and that also is correct. So that's great. Everything's working, and that explains the different fee options. Thank you for watching.